Jamaican Chat. Yes, Jamaican Chat. Sing thing. How where the sing thing there? Look at how where the sing thing there. Me I look for the sing thing and can't find the sing thing. Oh, something. Take here go on. Take here and go on. Take. Rank laka. Disrespectful. Rank. Jamaican would say, others would say disrespectful. Jamaican say rank. Laka. They're talking about like. Agwengima whipping, you see? Agwengima beating, you see? I am going to slap him, you see? I am going to give him a slap. What? Sit down, man. Sit down where you go. Sit down. Mr. Sit down. Yes, sit down. Papi show. He look like a... Watch him. He come look like a papi show. See a papi show. Look like a clowny, man. Me. Me I beat me chest. Me. Talking about me. Me head a hurt me. Me head hurt me, man. Me head hurt me. My head is hurting me. My head is hurting me. Me belly. Yes. My stomach. Me slashy. Look at me, me slashy. Ma go like him a me slashy. A male behaving, cursing, behaving like a female. Lord, what is? Lord, what is? Lord, what is this? Me no want no labrish. Move from me gate. Me no want no labrish. Come out, go, move. Me no want no labrish. Gossip. Move. Go away. No labrish. No gossip. No, don't want any gossip. Where your mama there? Where your mama? Where is your mother? Deso. Over there. Somebody a beat down the door. Yes, someone is knocking the door. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Jamaican Culture. No bother me, man. No bother me. Don't bother me. Thank you for watching.